Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. Let's get into it. Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. On either side of the license plate on the rear bumper, you'll find your license plate light assemblies. There's going to be 3 tabs, 1 on this side, 2 on this side. To take it out, we're just going to push on the 1 tab and then push it through. Now that we've got it pushed through, we're going to grab the license plate bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly, just like that. Next, we're going to remove the bulb from the socket. Now grab your Boost Auto LED license plate light assembly. They're not side specific, so you can grab either one. Take your connector, plug it into the socket. Either direction is fine. Take your bulb socket, make sure you insert it into the license plate light assembly the correct way. It is keyed. And then twist it clockwise. Make sure the side of the 2 tabs is inserted towards the back of the vehicle, and the side with the 1 tab is inserted towards the front of the vehicle. Repeat the same steps on the other license plate light assembly. Well, that about wraps up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. If you're a fan of those LED license plate lights, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all the products that we have to offer for your build today. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.